check for advanced restart button. It's available here. I'm directly booting into recovery using that. If you don't have that, press the volume up button and power button to boot into recovery. This is the latest TWRP recovery available for Poco X/NFC. Once that boot into recovery, go to wipe section and select your advanced wipe and select Dalvik package cache and metadata and data and swipe here to wipe it. Once that has been done, again go to home section and select here install and select the storage, the micro SD card, wherever you download the ROM zip file. First flash always the firmware here. The 13.0.1 is the available and recommended firmware from SAMPATH SAMPATH YouTube channel, that you keep in mind. Surya Global 13.0.1.0. as of now I will recommend the same, flash the same firmware. Once that has been get flashed, go to home section here and select the install and select the ROM zip file. Here in this video I want to show this AICP Surya T latest build. There's a vanilla build. You need to flash again the GApps also. It's not official ROM. That's the one more thing you need to consider. As you can see, January 9th build this is. It takes a little bit of time to flash the ROM. Wait until it gets flashed. Once the ROM zip file has been flashed, again go to home section here. It's a vanilla build as I said before. Go to GApps and select here Mind GApps 13 and flash it. It takes a little bit of time again. You need to wait that. Done. Now go to home section and select here wipe and select format data and type here YES and press this tick button. That's how simple, guys. Again go to home and select reboot and select the system. That's how simple. You need to flash the same method, then you will never face any problems regarding this flashing method for Poco X/NFC. Here we go, it's booted into AICP custom ROM for Poco X. In this video I am going to explain everything in detail regarding this particular ROM. Stay tuned till the end of the video and let's begin this video. Hey, welcome back again to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath SAMPATH YouTube channel and this is Poco X3 custom ROM reviews with Android 13, again with Android 13 ROM, guys. But this is an unofficial build, you guys know, and AICP ROM with Android version 13 and January 5th 2023 is the latest available security patch, and that's with this ROM. And 4.1.4.3.2 Lineage OS kernel has been used and January 9th is the build date here. And I have been running the CPU throttling test from last 5 minutes and 6 seconds and 9 milliseconds. You can see the maximum score is 192, average is 185 and minimum is 164 million JPS, and it's throttled to 94% of its max performance, and this is 200 thread, guys, which is good in my opinion. And benchmark results like Geekbench you can see here. You can even judge the app opening time here. The single score is 545 and multi score is 1544, and Linux 4.1.4.3.2 Lineage OS kernel has been used. And this the home screen you get. It's a live wallpaper has been kept here. And regarding widgets, you get all the Android 13 widgets here. Clock, you can add them. This how simple it is, and you get -1 screen, and this how the app drawer and home screen. If I go into wallpapers and style, you get these kind of wallpapers. Change wallpapers, there are live wallpapers, the only one, and on-device wallpapers nothing has been given here. Dark theme is given. As you can see, it's in pitch black condition. App grid, you get up to 6x10 options are given here. This how the home screen, and this is the quick settings panel. By before dragging it will look like nothing else, but if you drag that it will look like a standard AOSP ROM. You can see here these are the options. Sync option is present here, and in the edit section you get all the other options. You can check out here. That's how it is. And power button has been moved and settings button has been moved here. If any app is active, the status will be seen in this position, and this how the home screen and everything. And regarding some of the other settings like DRM information in this ROM, you get level 1 certification. You can watch all the OTT application in high definition resolution. Haven't installed safety net. Let's install that. Has been installed. Okay, here it is, and you can see here it's get failed. You need to manually pass the CTS profile match in order to use the payment applications. And this is AICP Android 13 initial build. I can say you need to wait for official one more or other more updates, then it might get past safety net status. This is an unofficial build. The yesterday's video I already shown you. That's the only video, the only ROM available for this particular smartphone, the X3/NFC with official build. That's the only ROM, the Nitrogen OS. This is AICP, and Dolby Atmos support, the Moto Dolby Atmos audio support has been given here. Just enable that and use it. Will enhance the audio experience listening via the 3.5mm headphone jack and even with stereo speakers. And dialer, you can see here, it will get direct video call feature, and the dialer is a little bit different here. It's not an AOSP dialer, and even you can record the call. That's good thing in this particular ROM. And camera application has been given here, simple. If you want anything advanced, you can use Gcam port. That's always the Arnold Gcam. I recommend the same. And if I move into some of the other settings, like FM radio has been given and gallery is also given here. As you can see, you get these kind of options here, and other settings, nothing to mention here. Let's move into settings. As you can see, it's very quick, very fast responsive. The UI is not so lag or anything like that. Here you get AICP access, but I am annoyed that I can't even see the battery percentage when I see like this. As you can see, there is no options also. I even tried in keys. As you can see here, nothing. There are customization, but regarding this battery, I haven't found any solution. You get battery bar, battery status icon you get, but the percentage I can't simply see that. Hope they can fix in the upcoming build. And moving into like other settings, like quick settings, again there are customizations. As you can see, interpolator duration style you can customize here. Flip XY, lock screen, again battery information you can enable in the battery, but in the quick settings, as you can see, it's not available as of now. Show scale, animation and touch fingerprint to unlock. These are the other customization you can check out. And whether you get these kind of options. Theming, again monet settings, use custom color, and pure black theme is given inside here. You need to turn on that, and corners you can customize them. These are the other customization you get in other UI tweaks. Animations, again you can change from your system behavior, system extensions. That's how it is. These are the things you get in this AICP 19. Here it is showing 18 unofficial, but it is 19, the Android version 13 here. That's how it is. And moving into actual settings, here you get battery usage. You can check out here. The idle battery drain is quite a low here. It's going to be very good ROM in my opinion. In terms of battery life, you can see one-handed mode is also working fine. By the way, battery optimization per app you can choose the here. And battery charge warning you can enable, and even you can keep the level intensity and even ringtone for that. That's how it is. Let's check out that one, the battery, charging speeds, will it support or not. No notification yet. Okay, I need to turn on the plug. It is showing charging rapidly within a second of keeping the charger. That's how it is. It's a good thing, and you can use it as a daily driver. The fast charging support, the 33-watt charging support is available in this particular ROM. No need to worry regarding that. And sound and vibration, here you get simple settings here. Me sound enhancer, the direct sound settings, and hi-fi audio system, and that Moto audio, Dolby audio. Lot more customization available in terms of audio and vibration and haptics. You can keep the patterns here. You can customize that. That's good thing here, as you can see. And moving into display settings, again there are few options, but there is no option of refresh rate here. Even in the yesterday's video it wasn't there. That's how it is. Per app refresh rate you can choose, but adaptive refresh rate, is it available or not, you can't see from here. That's how it is. And moving into wallpapers, this explained, and accessibility menu, which is a handy feature. I always explain this without using the actual buttons. You can use that. Some of the other settings I explained in the yesterday video, you can check out, guys. And security, you get just fingerprint unlock, and there is no app lock and face unlock in this particular. And location is also working fine, no problem regarding that. And system into the gesture into system navigation, gesture navigation, you can see there is no option to increase the pill end, but there are some options like amount of screen height, use touchable region for back gesture, and left right edge sensitivity, and swipe to invoke assistant. Those things are available here, which is going to work fine. As you can see, these are the recent apps. This is very smooth in my opinion. You can take the screenshot and you can clear all from here, which is going to be work fine here. It's a very good handy ROM, but it is very simple also. You won't get any lot more customization. There are many ROMs of AICP. You can't differentiate a lot from all the ROMs. They are one and the same here. They looks very similar to each other, but there will be a little bit of difference in performance and battery life and some of the other settings. This how the AICP ROM for Poco X3/NFC. You can see this how the animations and other things you get. And if you like the video, give it a like, and if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button guys, and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like. That's it. This you can have it as a daily driver. I haven't tested any games yet. Let's see in the upcoming builds. I'm going to review this particular ROM also. It's quite interesting, but also it's very similar to any other ROM, since these days I haven't made a video. I tested the ROM of AICP 17 or 18 like that, but that's how it is. Okay, we'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.